Hey everybody! This season I wanted to introduce a new series of how-to videos that directly relates to the work being done at our Model Railroad Club in Crockett, California. These projects are interesting to me, so I thought they might be interesting to you. I'm calling the first project Sturdier Switch Stands. The guys were looking at some of the run videos done by members of the club. They were great, but it was noticeable that there were few switch stands on the layout. We get a lot of visitors to the club and have to make trackside accessories bump proof. One of our guys suggested using magnets and washers, so here's how we did it. Here's an example of the washer and magnet technique. Marty Lockmiller has taken on the lighting for buildings, etc. on the layout. Here he's used them on the light poles in the Sacramento Valley Co-op yard. And see the flexibility the system allows. Any accessory can be bumped but not broken. Now let's move on to use this technique on our switch stands.
We're going to use detailed West switch stands with the etched targets. The part number is SS914. There are 2 stands per package. The stands are white metal castings with a little sanding and drilling for the target post you're ready to paint. For the magnet, I bought Magcraft rare earth magnets from Home Depot online. Magcraft has a host of rare earth magnets to fit your needs and scale. My magnets are 1/8 of an inch or 0.125 inches in diameter. Lastly, I'll show you 2 different builds. One will use a 5/16 inch flat steel washer. The other stand will use a piece of thin sheet metal cut to fit. I'll assemble the pair off camera, then show how they are installed on the layout.
So we made the trip to the club for the installation. I measured the gap between the ties and found that 3 of the magnets would sit sideways in the gap. The magnets work in any direction. I applied the glue in the gap and placed the magnets. Make sure the magnets are flush with the top of the ties or the switch stand will rock. Also make sure the glue doesn't lock up the switch. First time I tried this, I glued the switch closed. Our track superintendent had such a hissy we almost had to take him to emergency. Don't worry, with him it was a once-a-week occurrence. Final step is some touch-up paint on the magnet to get rid of the shine, and you have a sturdy, tippy switch machine that will last longer from the effects of Russian hands and Roman fingers. This project total took about 30 minutes to complete and another 5 minutes to install. I think the addition will add to the layout. All right, 2 down and 250 more to go. Yippee! By the way, here's the switch stand using the washer for the base. It worked well. An advantage of this design is in operation sessions. If you want to add another step to your switching routine, you can make the switch more realistic if you take the engine and stop at the points and then physically turn the stand to the direction of travel. One last thing I may try is numbering the target heads with the appropriate switch number on the switch panel. Well, that's it for now. I would appreciate your feedback so I can improve my skills on future how-to videos. Please follow and like me on Facebook at Model Railroad Minute, where I showcase the work of what I think is the best modelers and model railroad content today. And also, see original contents on my YouTube channel at Model Railroad Minute. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.